Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're diving into how to connect APIs in ActiveCampaign. If you're looking to build custom integrations and unlock more powerful automation features, this is where it all begins. Let's jump into it. First, you need to access your API key in ActiveCampaign. So head over to Settings and then click on Developer. And here you'll find both your API URL and API key. So you got to copy these. You'll need them to connect with external applications or services. Now, depending on the platform or app you're integrating with, you'll need to enter your API credentials in the appropriate fields. So ActiveCampaign's API allows you to perform a wide range of actions like adding or updating a contact, managing tags, or even triggering automations from external apps. So this gives you full control over how ActiveCampaign interacts with the rest of your tech stack, making it perfect for businesses with needs or custom workflows. And if you're just getting started with ActiveCampaign, hit the free trial link in the description to explore all. I'll see you in the next one.